Vaseline Glutathione Beauty Serum Lotion gives brighter and glowing skin with a non-sticky feeling. Hi everyone! So today I'm gonna be sharing with you my preparation to have a bright, glowing complexion for a holiday season. Hi everyone! So today I'm gonna be sharing with you my preparation to have a bright, glowing complexion for the holiday season. So every time na may magtatanong sa akin kung ano yung ma-recommend kong mga body lotions na super lightweight plus effective pa, I always recommend these products. So these are the Vaseline Glutathione Serum Burst Lotion. If matagal na kitang followers sa IG or dito sa YouTube, alam nyo na to na matagal na akong user ng Vaseline. And I have here the 4 variants. Okay, so let's start. As a girl na everyday lumalabas ng bahay para mag-work, pumunta ng office, ganyan. And alam naman natin na how damaging too much sun exposure can be. Kaya naman, itong dalawa yung ginagamit ko for the daytime. I super love the ingredients of these Vaseline Glutathione Serum Burst Lotion kasi meron silang Glutaglow, which is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. And hyaluron na nakakapag-boost naman ng skin's moisture. So this is the Flawless Bright. Ginagamit ko siya every morning. So it infused with pro-retinol. This one naman is the Dewy Radiance. It infused with 10 times active niacinamide. And for me guys, ito talaga yung pinakagusto kong scent. Ay, in love talaga ako sa scent niya. Meron tayong daytime use, meron din tayong nighttime use. So these two are my favorite for nighttime use. For extra moisturization, or when my skin is feeling dry and dull, this is the Overnight Radiance Repair. So ginagamit ko to before ako mag-sleep. It has 10 times amino peptide complex para ma-nourish niya and ma-revitalize yung skin natin. This one naman is the Pro Age Restore. It infused with 70 times collagen to boost skin's elasticity. We can stop aging, but our skin can achieve that youthful glow with the Vaseline Glutathione Pro Age Restore. I've been using different variants of Glutathione these past few months. With continuous use, mas naging confident ako because it has made my skin look even more bouncier and firmer because of its ingredients like collagen. And girl, what I love about these lotions is that fast-absorbing siya, and also it is non-sticky. These are my go-to lotions talaga. Vaseline Glutathione as my ultimate body care essential for 2025. Achieve your holiday glow for yourself. Experience the Glutathione glow up now. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.